welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja, and in today's video, it's been a hot minute since I've been on here, you are getting a little glimpse into my almost done kitchen. But today I'm going to be sharing fridge organization. We have gotten our new fridge, and I'm going to kind of give you a little bit of an overview of it, and then I'm going to show you how I organize it and products that I'm using to organize it. So if you are also stopping by for the very first time, welcome. Like I said, my name is Sonja, and over on this channel I share tons of recipes, what's for dinners, and anything kitchen related. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are subscribed already and haven't hit that bell, make sure that bell is on, so that way you get notified when these videos come up, as random as they are. So let's get started. So this is the fridge. It is a KitchenAid counter depth 36-inch width fridge with indoor ice and water dispenser. So that lights up once you touch it, so you can get cubed ice, crushed ice, and then favorite filled and measured fill, and then you just dispense water. It is stainless steel. It is supposed to be fingerprint resistant, although I'm not quite sure how that works because there are fingerprints here. If you have a fingerprint resistant fridge, please let me know. Am I missing something? So let's look at it inside. My husband still has to adjust the doors. So all the controls are in a door. I still have to take the sticker off. And there's cheese. The reason why I have chosen this fridge was, well, number one, the size of it. Number two, the fact that I wanted a water and ice in here instead of over here, because I've had it for last two fridges inside, and it just bothers me when the fridge has to be open every single time somebody wants water. You know, other people go into the fridge when they want water, so this was just easier. And I also like the fact that all the ice stuff is in here in the door versus having a big thing over here and taking up space, and I can still utilize some of the storage here. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It is got the wood accent, which is neat but not necessary. As well, it has a soft latch doors, and these need to be adjusted as well because they look a little crooked. And then I think one useless thing is this marinating tray, because it simply doesn't fit. Like even 4 chicken breasts won't fit in here, maybe fish. So I might use it for something else or take it out completely. And I'm very excited to actually have all the shelves in the door. If you've been following along, you know I didn't have these in my Samsung fridge because they all broke within a few years of having the fridge. So then I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna put here. I'm gonna kind of research it, what this is for. Like I said, if you have one of these, let me know what you use it for. So I'm gonna shut the fridge here. This is a water filter, and also comes with a herb saver. Fancy. I think I would much rather have the egg holder. And then in here, in the freezer, you have a pull-out shelf, which is, there we go. I'm just going to take these stickers off so I can show you. My husband put some ice because you have to wait something like you have to empty this ice dispenser 3 times before you can use it. So this moves. Then there's an extra storage here. Typical. I like that there is a divider, and then in here there is room for like a pizza or anything that's narrow. You can put it in there. Okay, so let me show you items that I had gotten for to organize it. Not too much, but let me just show you. So I had several of these containers already, but I just ended up getting 2 more from Dollarama. These are from Dollarama. This one came from HomeSense several years ago, and I think, I'm not sure where this one came. I'm thinking Dollar Tree, but maybe HomeSense. And then this is an original KitchenAid fridge that I had when I moved to this house. Came with an egg basket, and this is it. As you can see, it's cracked everywhere, but it really works because it holds my flat of eggs that I typically buy. I have been on Amazon kind of looking what they have for flat of eggs, and I did find one. Unfortunately, even if I ordered it today, wouldn't be here for this video. So if I do end up buying a replacement, I will probably share it on Instagram, so make sure you're following on there. The link is in the description box. And then for food items like fruits and vegetables, I have these Fridge Smart containers that I had for a while now. They are Tupperware. These are the old style ones, and these are the new style ones. There's no point of buying new ones and replacing these because these work, and they weren't cheap either. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use these as I need them. And I also like to use mason jars as well. So we're gonna get started. I'm going to go and get this fridge emptied and start putting things in this one and take you along for that. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is give the fridge a wipe down on the inside. I don't want to use any harsh chemicals because food items are going in there, but I still want to clean it, so get rid of anything that might be on there. So I'm going to just use my Normax microfiber cloth to do that.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you did.
And the very neat thing about these is you can remove these without taking the shelf brackets off, which I kind of like, because these and they're a decent size. You can stick them in the dishwasher to wash.
Deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know.
I also forgot to show you, it has a removable shelf, which is pretty standard, I think, these days with most fridges. So that way, if you have like a big bottle of wine or a big pitcher of something, you can put it in here.
Lost without you, I'm not without you. I hope I can show where you mean.
And this is supposed to be a removable tray, so you can set up your food on here that you need to, that you want to serve or anything like that, and you can just take the whole tray out and put it on the table. I don't know what I'm going to use this for either yet. I have to, like I said, figure things out.
To me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take.
So the fridge is wiped down, and I am going to, it comes with an air filter, so I had removed the cover, and I'm going to add this in here.
Places that you've never been, I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best.
So now I'm going to add a, what is this called? Crisper, produce preserver onto the side, inside the drawer.
To always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not with.
I think I'm ready now to go ahead and add stuff in. So the plan is to set up the fridge in different zones. The bottom shelf, it's supposed to be the coldest zone according to the manual. So I want to keep things like eggs, cheese, yogurt, and dairy products, but some of the dairy products will have to go in a door just simply because they're so big and I don't want to have to lay them all down. So, and then the middle shelf, and also on the bottom shelf, I want to keep the meat that I took out to cook for the following night. And then the middle shelf will hold some produce and other things. And then the top shelf will have like the leftovers and then what other stuff I have. So that is how I'm thinking I'm gonna do it. Should simplify when putting things back and in knowing what I have and what I don't have, because this is a counter depth fridge. It's not as deep as my other fridges were, so I am looking forward to not having things kind of shoved into the back and forgotten about. So just trying really to simplify what is in this fridge as well. I don't want to overpack it. I do have my other fridge going into the garage, and I will keep all the sauces that I don't use on regular basis there. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I did take all the veggies out that I could and just kind of put them in there, and also wanted to show you that I always put a paper towel on the bottom of these containers to absorb some of the moisture from the fruits and veggies. So here it is all done. Now a little disclaimer, I did not go grocery shopping because I didn't know that the new fridge was coming, so I wanted to go grocery shopping afterwards, so there isn't as much stuff as it typically would be. I am so happy to finally have these shelves on the door, and I can put extra sauces. We seem to have a ton of jarred stuff, from pickled stuff to sauces to spreads. And it's just, and this is not even all of it. There's more in the fridge outside. So my sriracha and my buffalo sauce did not fit in a door, so I am keeping them up there. And here I just put some limes and lemons, and ginger is in that container. And I have tomato and some peppers here. I like the way this looks. However, I know that once I do a full grocery, I most likely won't. I will have to pack it a little bit more. The bottom one I'm gonna keep for actually cheese slices and deli meats kind of thing, and then Here is the right side. Again, like I said, I tried to keep like items together. So I got my milk, kefir, and cream. And then I have my salad dressing and things like that in the other one. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And I will see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.
I just don't know what to do.